Since 2007, Ruen Gi has delivered reliable electronic component solutions worldwide, serving more than 1,100 OEM and ODM manufacturers across global markets. From electronic components to customized sourcing services, we support modern manufacturing with flexible supply solutions. We help ensure every component meets customer expectations for quality and reliability. With digital inventory management and responsive operations, we help customers secure stable supply. Working closely with customers and global brand partners, we expand sourcing possibilities. Every recognition reflects our commitment to trust, quality, and long-term partnership. More than a component supplier, we are your trusted partner for sourcing and supply chain support. Pioneering with integrity, innovating with care.